Hey, what's up folks, Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we're gonna take down a couple trees, knock out a couple overgrown flower beds, replace it with some St. Augustine sod. All right, one of the problems we faced in this yard was the homeowner had a bunch of roots growing up around the tree, and as you know, when you go to try to mow that, it's extremely hard. So what we came here and did we went around all our trees and built up some dirt, and then put some sod around here, so that way we're just making it easier and easier for her to cut. There's another area right here. You see this huge crepe myrtle. We trimmed this back in February. You can see there was no sun exposure right here, so it was really bad. So we're gonna put some nice new soil right there. We're gonna put some sod. We're basically gonna go fix a lot of spots all over the yard. They've got some really good turf. It's just got some bad spots, and they called the doctor. Here's another one of the azalea beds that we ripped out the azaleas, left the two crepe myrtles, came in here, leveled it out, put some nice fresh topsoil on here. All right, let's take down this tree. All right, now that the tree's taken down, we got all this nasty area right here. We're going to churn it up, put some new dirt in there, and get it ready to lay some sod. All right, now we've got this section of the sod laid. As you can see right here, we got everything covered up. The old azaleas that were there, we ripped them out, got all the roots and everything, and it's just nice, smooth sod all the way over. Here's where the tree was. There's where one of the beds we ripped up and left the crepe myrtles. As you can see, we made a nice little hill, put some dirt around the tree, and put the sod all the way up to the tree. And now it'll be really easy for to cut her grass. Down here at the bottom of their gate, they had some issues with just bad spots. So we came in, put some nice dirt here as well, and this is what this turned out. All right, you know what? Let me go hop into my drone and show you an aerial view. All right, folks, well, this job's a wrap. We got those trees knocked down, got everything leveled out, got some nice fresh sod everywhere. This is a First Choice job.